Hi everyone, this is Stock Signals Philippines teaching you how to trade and invest in the Philippine stock market independently. This is our market wrap-up report for September 29, 2017. Okay, so the market was actually green. We actually rebounded to close at 8171.43, slightly higher by 15.39 points or 0.19%. The broader all-share index is up by 0.48%. Some indices are up. Financials, holdings, and mining and oil are down for the day, while industrial, property, and service are up for the day. Best performing sub-index is the service sector, while the worst performing is the mining and oil. Let's take a look at the sectors. Okay, APL made a good run, 7.69% higher. TEL is also up by 3.80% despite the net foreign selling. MRP 2.16% up. SBS not much volume there. Cebu Pacific up 1.57% with a net foreign buying of 14 million. STI no up 1.33%. FA no volume. LR 1.19% up. Resorts World is up by 1.05%, ICT higher by 0.87%, PLC 0.63% up. Globe is also up by almost half a percent despite the net foreign selling. Golden Haven 0.48% up, now 0.43% up. P Gold is 0.38% up, 32 million in net foreign buying. Losers we have Tugs down 2.81%, IS no volume. MRSGI 0.93% lower, Bloom 0.37% lower, IPM only 12 trades but 0.36% lower. It seems Meridian is trying to hold support. GMA 7 is down by 0.33%. Let's go to the mining and oil. FNI was up 3.33%. Good volume at 22 million value. LC no volume. Nickel is up by 1.07%. Mark no volume. LCV no volume. PX is higher by 0.36% despite the net foreign selling of 2.49 million. PXP continues its downtrend, down 3.23%. APX is down by 1.61%. SCC 1.48% lower. Most active stock for the day is SM with a value of 1.1 million. There were, however, a lot of crosses, 787,000 shares, I think. Was that BA? Yeah, BA. BA was crossing shares. Yeah. Ayala Land has 722 million in value and SMPH with 501 million in value. Gainers and losers, top gainer is PTC, but there's no volume, so it's DFNN up 17.14%. PRC no volume, CSB no volume, BCB no volume, ABG no volume. X is up by almost 9%. APL is also up by 7.69%. CIC no volume, B Core no volume. Losers, not much of a volume on the top 5. CEI is up by 4.49%. AGF, no volume. LMG is down by 4.26%. EEI by 4%. ALHI, no volume. Value turnover for that day was actually huge at 73.7 billion. And a net foreign selling of 32.8 million. I'm sorry, I did not expect these values. Let's watch in Bloomberg later. Why the huge net foreign selling on that day? This is big, really big. I think this happened at the close because of the sudden drop. So let's see later what will happen to the markets. Though it's green, it's showing weakness already. Okay. News and announcements. Uh, wait. Weighted average peso dollar rate last September 29 was at 50.834 pesos is to $1. Foreign market update. Shanghai and India is up. Wait. Uh, Hang Seng, Taiwan, and Korea is also up. Nikkei and Singapore were down for the day. Alright, so that was your market wrap-up report for September 29, 2017. This is Stock Signals Philippines, teaching you how to trade and invest in the Philippine stock market independently.